So I should probably introduce myself. Hi, I'm Sat. I've been a developer for way over 10 years now. I've even fortunate enough to win an award for one of the apps that I made. And I've done a lot of teaching too. I've worked for organizations like Apps for Good, Freeformers, and even created courses for Facebook UK. Currently, I work for a games company called Be Loudest, where we create XR experiences, professional XR experiences for companies like DHL, Salesforce, and a whole bunch of other ones as well. And it's from those XR, and when I say XR, I mean stuff like AR, VR, and MR. From those professional applications, it's where a lot of my teachings come from and understandings come from, and I want to pass that on to you guys. I also create stuff in my spare time. So this is a Google cardboard game called Chase Chi, where you just chase a cat around looking for it. This was a Colossal Quest, a Daydream VR game that came out, and I built that from scratch as well. And so this is the app Stop and Search app that was featured in numerous media publications. Really proud to have made that as well. So I understand the design aspects that go into what makes a good, solid app. And course-wise, the first course that I created was featured in newspapers like The Guardian. That was about teaching app development too. And the Facebook course that I taught with when I was an employee for Apps for Good, that was a success as well. And that went on to be used to help train teachers. So that's me at the far right there, when I was training up some of these teachers to teach that course across the whole of the UK. And a lot of that material, from the Apps for Good course and the Facebook courses, is being spread around the whole of the world, even now. But you might know me best from YouTube, actually, where I create some stuff in my spare time just to help you guys out, because I love teaching. I really enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. So if you are from my YouTube channel, hi, thanks for coming over and supporting me. And if you haven't seen my YouTube channel, check it out. If you're into XR, then there's a lot of free stuff on there that you probably really enjoy. So I hope that's a good background, some good background information on me. But one of the best things I think that makes me a good teacher, and why a lot of people said that they enjoyed being on my courses, was because when I first started off, I struggled a lot many years ago, like 15 years ago, when this is like pre Udemy, pre like YouTube, pre all of that. It was really tough to learn new courses, and I still remember what that's like, and I still know what you're going through, and I know it's cheesy, but I want to be there to help you guys through it as well. And AR and VR exercise, all new, so the struggle it's fresh in my mind too. So I want to make sure I don't bombard you with unnecessary lingo and complicated terms, and I just want to get straight to the point, so we can build amazing stuff and you can see results fast and succeed. I want you to be able to show this stuff to people as well, and get to where you want to be on your journey. So on that note, let's get started.